What up? What up? Yo, yo, yo. CT in the house. Discipline, what up? Good morning. Oh, good morning. Good morning. What up, BK? Cove Concepts. I like that. Boom. Little quickie for the stream. Little quickie right there. Oh, yo, I locked in a My Funded Futures payout. Now my question is, do I take the full amount and blow the account, basically? I've taken $1,200 out of this account once. I could take $1,200 again, but it would leave me with $100 of drawdown. I don't know what to do. I'll run a poll, see what you guys think. Now, just remember, I have another My Funded Futures funded account that's up over $1,000 already. Sean, you're done already? Are you done good or done bad? Where you're like, I'm fucking done, and I need the paddles at 350. Do you need the 350 paddles, or are you doing good? What up, Vince? Done bad. Yo, that means you need the 350 paddles, bro. I've been there. You need the comeback. Yeah, I probably will feel dumb, Waldo. I'll probably feel like an idiot. Yo, the 350 life raft. Yo, that's pretty good, 205. Yo, I'm going to be honest with you guys. If you're done for the day and you don't want to trade like a, like a cheap eval, like a $15 eval for just market feel, I would use a sim account that's free. Just so you keep the feel of trading throughout the day rather than just stop. I know NinjaTrader has a free one. A couple of the firms have a free one that you can use. And I would just say that I would keep trading through the day looking for the same setups just to keep the feel of trading rather than just being done for the day. Just a thought. I know, like I said, NinjaTrader has a free account, and some of the other prop firms, if you don't want to use like a cheap eval. That's what I would probably do. Damn, it came all the way down to this imbalance and just bounced. Yo, it doesn't work on news? Yeah, news changes all. You got the bullet all right. Damn, it just pumped it. I actually locked this already. I'm already locked in. I think this is day 2 locked in. I didn't stick to the plan. I tilted. I did everything I knew not to do. Been there, man. Been there. I'm going to leave this one open. Well, I need more money anyways. I need another $80, but I might leave this one open to stack today. This is on day 3. What up, Donovan? Good morning, Andy. Yeah, just a clusterfuck. Like the day, we're not going anywhere. I'm just kind of looking to see where we are, what we're doing, what I'm looking for. What's crazy is all the sessions kind of traded in each other. Like we haven't really gone anywhere. This was Asia. The only time we really moved was when we first opened at 6 o'clock. We made the big move, and we've just kind of been trading kind of within each other. I'm just looking to see what I so like you got the pivot point right here, unable to break over. Good morning, Maria. Are you in jail or out of jail? Yo, my power went out yesterday, so I'm still setting up all my tabs again. I had a power outage at my house. I'm just setting. So I'm still setting everything up. I also edited, geez, how can I find this? Dude, I edited, oh man, I got a lot of tabs open. Let me see if I can find this. Let me see if I can find this thing. I need to find it. I have a tab open that did, oh, I found it. I found it. I'll show you guys. By the way, yeah, yo, the Diddy trial starts today. YM is much cleaner here. So I decided to make some changes on this. So this is the one where I have the multi time frames. I basically added order blocks, breaker blocks, the order blocks, the breaker blocks, and I think that's the only thing I would change, which is you can see right here. The other thing I don't have, which I just realized, everybody should have a screen like this because it gives you all of the time frames so you can really get an idea on what is going on here. Kind of just see everything from the higher time frame look rather than looking at the 1 minute. Dude, like this was freaking awesome. What was that? Oh, that was like 8 o'clock. Yo, what up, Lenny? Good morning, David. Yo, Corey, you're here. Yo, Luca's in the house. Yo, what are you guys doing? You guys up, down, left, right? We got some earnings this week. You got FOMC this week. You got AMD earnings. You got PLTR. Actually, you got PLTR today after hours. You got AMD after hours tomorrow. You have Uber and Disney on Wednesday. You have Shopify on Thursday. Nothing Friday. And I think you have FOMC tomorrow. I'll break it out. Let's see what the economic calendar says. New week, back in the game, just no trades. What up, Marco? So you have the FOMC meeting on Wednesday at 2 p.m. And then Powell speaks at 2:30. That's going to really move the market. And you have U.S. trade deficit tomorrow at 8:30. Okay. We got some market movers. Yeah, Oliver, this is definitely our ranging right now. I mean, there's no need to just jump in something. We are right in the 15-minute order block. To get out, you'd have to close over 20,100, and the rejection spot is 74. I'm looking at the 15 though, so it's got to close under 74 on the 15-minute, not on like the 1. Yo, what up, Jaden? I mean, NQ might follow. I mean, you're kind of breaking this trend right here. By the way, I know people have asked a ton of questions about things that I made videos for and whatnot. I am going to create a course for free, and I'm going to put it together for you guys. Be absolutely free. You guys can, you know, I'm going to try my best to package like a full PDF course and utilize some videos I have, make some new videos, and just so it's like one spot where you could see kind of like all the important shit and not have to go through, you know, scrolling through my channel for things maybe. How are the NQ stocks today? What do you mean, like how is my portfolio, or how like the actual stocks are, like Google? Because Google is up, Amazon is down. Nvidia is down. Microsoft is up. And I'm up at $1,200. Cleaner look. $1,200 for what I own. Yo, you don't like the NQ knob? I think it's going to break out one way or the other. I think you're just kind of sitting here. It's holding 20,000, which is a big number. I think that the hold of 20,000 is a key level. And if we break the 20,000, we're in for some bearish activity. I mean, you got London highs right here. All the highs of the session are pretty much right here. Is YM the futures for no? YM is the Dow and RTY is the Russell. You could trade RTY. It's mostly like small cap stocks. Not like penny stocks, but like smaller cap stocks. Like growth stocks. Yeah. It definitely moves. I'm not against it. I'm so used to trading the NQ and it works for me. Like I'm glad I made money early. I locked in a payout. I definitely didn't trade that much, but I definitely locked in a payout and I locked in some cash. Yo, ES is so slow. That's like the granny one. ES is like the granny. It just moves slower. I can't really trade the ES. Granny, no. Dude, if you guys have never seen the Chappelle Show, you guys should all watch it. It's freaking great. Yeah. Probably one of my favorite like comedy series is probably the Chappelle Show. That it's like unmatched. I mean, they're kind of flagging it here. Watch them drop it back down. Just flagging. I mean, like, am I in a rush to jump into this? No. I do like it. It's got to keep holding the 9, though. So you got to keep a tight stop if you're going to stay in this. What I don't like is stochastics are starting to roll over. I just don't like how it moves personally. That's all. The movement to me gets me. Obviously, you can make money with anything. You just size up, but it's just the movement. Bro, this is like sucking you in right now. This is like one of those flags that you get sucked in and then they drop it down like 30 points on you. That's how I feel this is going to happen. my indicator will be that the house account goes long right here. What up, piano? Man, if we can get a drop down, I might take this long. Yeah, I mean, you got to think somebody took this long up here. Dude, that's before my time. I didn't even know they had two steps. I started trading futures in E-Trade, and then I moved off. I wasn't around for any two-step pro. Anybody who had a two-step, I never used. Put it like that. Bro, that's crazy. Two combines to pass. It's just like that's such a house edge. If you got to pass two combines, that's crazy. You're basically asking to make no money. If they bring it down further, I like it long. I like it long. Is that the low? Is that the biggest they're gonna bring it down like that? Yo, the evals were expensive. I know that at one point, like the prop firm game was expensive, and then I think it hit it. Everything dropped. There was a lot of competition, and I think like there was a lot of cheap accounts. Like I think last year, like over the summer, it was like everything was cheap. Like Top Step did Top Step X. They were giving out accounts at $19 for a little bit. You had Apex doing like 90 off and $85 activation fee. Take Profit Trader was doing like 40 off. Um, you definitely hit a point, I believe, last year that was just kind of like a lot of people, and then it kind of swung back the other way, like beginning of January. Like my funded futures raised prices. Um, like prices were raised starting in January, and I think now we're at a different era where you're not getting the cheap ones. And the problem is there's guys that are just hammering these firms for millions. Yo, what up, Jay Styles? I think they're hammering them for so much that changes had to be made. I would love to see us trade up, back down, and then up. Up, back, down, and up would be legit. Oh man, Corey, how's trading been for you? You crushing it over there? Dude, we just broke London highs. Over London highs. Oh man, this is, I don't know. It's like not moving. Oh, is this thing just going to explode? I kind of like it. I kind of like it. So Bullnox works. You have 3 master accounts. Once you take one to a payout, you can get a 4th account, and then you take another one to a payout, you can get a 5th account. So you got to keep working payouts to keep activating more master accounts, and you can go up to 11. Ah, UK is a bank holiday today. Interesting. Damn. There you go, Corey. What? You take all 3 no. You just have to take one of the 3 accounts to a payout, and then you can activate a 4th account. That's all. And then once you take, if you are continuing holding all 4 and you take another one to a payout, you can get a 5th one. Well, you activate all 3. You have to activate all 3, right? So you got 3 accounts. Out of those 3 accounts that are activated, you take one to a payout. You can then activate a 4th account, and then and then so on. That's how it works. But you got to hold all the accounts. Yeah. So like they tell you can get 11, but I'll be honest with you, if you by the time you get to number 11, dude, you've made a lot of fucking money at that point, because that means you're just taking payout after payout and not losing any accounts. You're like 7 payouts in without losing an account. So you're doing really well at that point. I've never gotten 11 accounts. I'll put it like that. I think the most I ever had was like 5. Oh man, is this going to reject off? Well, see now, yeah, well, they just changed the rules. What is that what it is? They move you to live after 3 payouts now. So I don't know how you'd ever get to 11 personally. Yeah. I know they changed the rules. I mean, I'll be honest with you, I have 3 funded accounts with them, and I'm like halfway to payouts with them. But like I don't trade them every single day. Because I gotta trade it on Rhythmic Trader Pro, and it's a pain in the ass. So it is what it is, right? I still kind of like this. Gotta hold. Gotta hold. Dude, it's slow today, though. Sorry, my friend's a little slow. The town is actually that way. Switch your accounts to Project X. Yo, they'll switch them for you? BK, I didn't know that. Yo, I was connected on Rhythmic, and then once I added Top Step, the whole thing got fucked up. Are the payouts synchronized across accounts? I'm not sure what you mean. Once you can request a payout at any time. You're gonna need 10 days. Oh man. Okay. What do you just contact support and say I want to switch it? Is that how you did it, BK? Dude, I got to email support. I'll ask him right now. Can you switch all my accounts to Project X? I just did it. I submitted. I'm in. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. This thing keeps grinding like that Fabulous song. Let's go. Push it. I think they can get a nice freaking pop right over this level and just freaking explode. What's the advantage of Project X? I don't have to use Rhythmic Trader Pro because I can only have one Rhythmic account on NinjaTrader. So I use it for Top Step and that's it. This is the push right here. Yeah, I mean, I don't know if you guys ever use Rhythmic Trader Pro. It's like fucking old. Like it feels like I'm trading in 2001. That's what Rhythmic Trader Pro feels like if you've never used it. Dude, I'm moving my orders up, by the way. I'm not losing on this. I'm basically even. I don't like that we're not pushing. How's that sound? Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. I didn't like that we're not pushing. Yo, what up, Scotsman? Pretty good. I just locked in $1,200 payout with my funded futures. I've never. So these accounts are all old, Garen. I didn't have a choice to choose Project X or Rhythmic. It was just these are all old accounts that I let rebill because it was 91% off, and these are all 91% off rebills. I'd rather use Tradeovate than Project X. Yeah, no, man, I feel good. Just another dude. I've taken a payout now. We took one on Friday. I think I took a Thursday, Friday, and today. I think it's gonna be 3 days in a row. Back on a winning streak. Back on the old payout streak. I'm not going to set up a VPS. I'm not going to do it, to be honest with you. What's up, Nao? I just don't feel the need to set it up. I'll just trade Rhythmic Trader Pro if I need to. I just pop on real quick, trade it. I need to do my Quant Tower accounts. I got a couple of Quant Towers. Boom, boom, boom. See, I'm glad I got out. You could just kind of tell it was getting weak. I may or may not get back in this long if it ends up holding it after this dump. It's literally holding this breaker on the 15. Oh, and the 5. You got a 5-minute also. Oh, I'm. Wait, they don't have what? BK? What? Who doesn't have what? They don't have trade of eight. If that, no. I'm pulling up my. Oh, if we hold here, I would be willing to get back in. Looks like they're holding. Yeah, no, I know. That's why I'm going to Project X if they allow me to. It's all if they allow me to, because they have to convert my accounts. I don't know if they're going to be into that. I don't know if they're going to be into that. It's kind of a I don't know. We'll see though. They're old accounts, so you think they would push me over, but who knows? Who really knows? That's how I feel. What's the worst that can happen? As much as this looks like it's going to short, I kind of like it to the upside. I feel like they're going to press it down, consolidate, and then we're going to go. That's how I feel this is going to play out. I think it's going to suck shorts in, and then they're going to hose them. I feel like they're going to hose the shorts. Just feels that way. Come on. I took a small, this is like a third of a size. I will add if we start going up. I just feel like stochastics are pushing down, but the price action isn't really pushing. And I'm curious if we then kind of hold this 34 line and push on through. I would want to see us hold 81, like that. 81 areas where I definitely have my must hold. I just tacked on another little. take half off right there, and then I'll probably push the other half up, you know, move to break even. Oh, come on. What are we doing? It's so fucking choppy. Doesn't look good. Should have fucking moved up. I don't like closing below the 34. I want to see it back over like 93, 94 is what you really want to see. Yeah, see, they bought it back up. Come on, get back over 104 and push. The longer we stay here, how do I get rid of the fucking noise? How do I get rid of noise? I got a quick scout. How do I get rid of noise on fucking this thing? There we go. Got rid of my noise. Oh yeah, dude, no noise now. Oh, that's awesome. What up, Marie? How are you trading today, Marie? You up? I feel like you are. Come on, give us the one big fucking pop, man. Give us the one pop. Pop to 110. Give us the 110 Pop-a-Rooney. Oh, it's right there. It just doesn't want to do anything. Dude, this chop is taking years off my life. Let's go. Nope, not going to. I don't think it's going to do it. It's looking shittier now. This was the candle to push up. You kind of dropped. They bought it back up. You pushed. Wanted this candle to be the one that pushes up. This is looking bad. This is not looking good. Yo, I got a My Fund Futures account, but won't let me trade on TradingView. It keeps saying you can't trade the symbol. I have no idea. Gerald, I have no idea. I've never used My Funded Futures into TradingView. Yeah, what's NQ? Is NQM? Mine just is NQ. Yeah, you don't use the actual contract. I think you got a wrong symbol in there. is what I think. I'm pretty sure you have a wrong symbol in there. Yeah, I would just do NQ and get rid of 2025 or anything like that. Why do I like this so much to the upside? I don't even know. I would just type in NQ and then, or like, look, and then you just click this. And I have, look, MNQ, yeah, 1 exclamation point is what I got. That's what I would do. I think you're on the wrong symbol. Yeah. What happens if you try trading that, Gerald? Does it work? What's that look like? Still the same? One more push. One more push. I'm right there. Yes. Lock it in. Push it. Push it. All right. I got some of my money back. Not all, but obviously I went in heavier. I went in 12 micros versus 3 or 6. Nah, you could trade micros on TradingView. I trade micros on TradingView. I also do it with a live account. Yeah, I don't know what the issue is. I would reach out to My Funded Futures and show them and see what the deal is. Their customer support's amazing. They'll be able to help you out. They'll be able to help you out real quick. Guess I'm taking the max payout. Dude, oh man, that fucking went. Look at that shit. Right out of there. Jeez. Are you shitting me? Yo, they couldn't get me out at a look where they got me out of. I literally got out at the fucking bottom. Fucking bottom. I think this could keep going. Yo, this is day 6 without Ray. Right? Day 6, day 7. without Ray. I got to go get a glass of water real quick. I'm back. I'm back in my water. Oh. What up? What up? Dude, this market condition is rough. Just not going anywhere. Yo, you see they stopped Temu packages now? What up, Walter the GOAT? Dude, Code's in here. I didn't realize you guys were in here. Code's in here. Dude, now I see who's in here. Lenny, what up? Kyle's in here. If you guys don't talk, I don't know if you're in here. Nathan White's in here. He hangs out. I don't see when you guys come in or not. Dude, just trying to freaking make a couple bucks. What up, Coach Fred? Price action is starting to eat me up here, this chop. This chop is no bueno. Yo, everyone getting celebrating Cinco de Mayo today? Who's celebrating Cinco de Mayo today? Good morning, Keith. Yo, Vince just told you what you should do. Vince just told you what you should do. Margs for sure, yeah. Margs definitely for sure. Obviously, yo, you just missed it, Sean. You ready, Sean? You got 10 seconds. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Closed. Whoever was on the stream is in. Had to be on the stream. Can't come in the last 10 minutes. You're out. Dude, I don't know what Temu's gonna do, man. Temu Temu and Shein can no longer like ship products. I have it up on my screen. Like they can't ship products to people, or it's like super expensive now. They got a lot of shit going on. I just got it. I'm just looking at it. Dude, look at this freaking action. We're literally within 30 points for the last 30 minutes. It's literally just right here. I would say as long as you hold 83, see this breaker? As long as you hold 83, I'd probably say you're going to go up. Oh, you get a lot of baby clothes from Temu? I've never ordered off Temu. How is it, Sean? Like when you get it, like what happens? Or how long does it take you to get it? So like say you ordered today, like when do you get your Temu stuff? Two weeks-ish? Bro, I should have ordered stuff. Is it, well, I guess you're ordering baby clothes, so it's not like a quality issue. Have you ever ordered anything like really good? Why am I long? Um, I'm looking to hold this area. See this area right here? I'm looking to hold this green area. If we do not hold this area, my whole bias will change. It was an order block, became breaker. We traded back in, we held, and now I am holding this. I'm in. I mean, I have my orders right here. I'm trying to get fucking filled. Like I'm out, but I mean, you could have made. You know, what did I make? 45, $100. Baby clothes quality solid. Yeah, no, they do. I mean, I have two kids. Yeah, they grow out of them so quick. Yeah, TJ Maxx and Marshalls has great deals. Remember when Old Navy had $3 t-shirts, Maria? I used to wear only the t-shirts from Old Navy. It was like $3 or $5, and it was just like I don't know, cotton printed tees. I've never bought anything from H&M, to be honest. We doing mommy talking now? Oh, dude, I go shopping. My kids constantly need clothes. This is not looking good. Not looking good. Under 81, and you probably got a really nice short. Yo, have you tried Bob's? Yeah, this is it though. You go under 81, Waldo, and you'll probably get a real nice run. Yo, Corey, I'd look at Bob's. Bob's got some cheap furniture that's halfway decent. Yo, estate sales, you can get some real good furniture. Yo, I think you gotta look for like furniture. You gotta look at like man, I would just look at like closeout sales. You know? Why do I sound like I'm talking into a tin can? I don't know. What's the volume sound like for you guys? No one said anything about the volume today. That's a first. What's the volume like? What's the sound like? Yeah, Spider Trader, FB Marketplace. Yeah, sounds normal. I think it's your computer. What do I think about real estate? I think the rates are going to come down, which will then help. I think real estate's going to come down a little bit. Yeah, I would not trade your evals with a VPN on. I most definitely would not do that, Maria. That's why I was saying you turn it on, you use Mexi. When you're done with Mexi, you turn it off because all these guys, all these firms log your IP address. They all log, yeah, they all log your IP address. So if you're signing into Tradeovate with that on, you're going to get hosed. Yeah, do not do that. That is no good. So I wonder where my freaking grocery delivery is. I ordered groceries on Amazon, and they haven't come yet. And I need the groceries to eat lunch. I use the same computer, but I don't trade. I don't trade crypto all day. Like I just hold it. I'm holding right now. This is not looking good. You know what though? I just realized the pivot point's right here. Pivot point is literally at 74. So just watch out. I just realized that. I did not know that until I fucking hit the button. Actually, you got the bottom of the breaker on the 15. You got the pivot point at 75. You got I don't know, man. This is such an iffy freaking spot. I think it holds it and bounces it. Gold is the long of the day. Do you know of anyone who got denied payout from Bullnox for copy trading? I do not. Why? Did you just copy trade Bullnox with other firms, Garen? Did you just do that by mistake? I think the market's choppy because the UK has a bank holiday. I'd probably say it's going to drop to at least 58. I mean, it looks like it's going to come down to this area. It makes the most sense. Dude, I can't trade gold during the day. It just never works out well. I always end up getting smacked by gold. Come on, just go all the way down. You got VWAP. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? If it gives me time, I'm going to copy trade this trade if I can load up NinjaTrader fast enough. I'm trying to get NinjaTrader up. Nope. It's not going to go down. Dude, I thought it was, yo, Diddy Trials. Yo, what up, Dell? Oh, I hope they bring in Johnson & Johnson as star witnesses. Bro, when are they going to? So it starts today, but I don't think it's any of it's televised. I think none of it is televised, though, which kind of sucks. Because I want to hear it. I want to hear all the quotes. $37. Oh, it's fucking market's just chopping. Market is just chopping away. Are they going to push it down here? We doing it, boys? Come on. I'm just waiting. I mean, this is fucking not the best conditions to be trading in. It's kind of waiting it out. Breathing and relaxing. What is the what is it? It's at 58 and 54. Still in gold? Dude, gold I just can't do it. I don't know why. I just can't. I'm looking to see what the deal is. My funded futures this week is 20% off starter plans, starter plus plans. That's the deal of the week for them. Oh, Waldo. That sucks. I mean, it doesn't, it looks like it's going to come down. This is just some slow moving markets. I mean, we're not doing shit. I'm just waiting. Man, it's slow though. PLTR earnings after hours. Actually, I think it's going up. It might. It might. I don't dislike it to the upside. I don't dislike it. It's just in an area that I feel like it could go either way. I feel like it can definitely come back down and retest this area, or you can go up just a little bit and you might reject right here at right here. You can reject right here. Like there's not like a clear path to, there's just not like a real clear path. So that's kind of why I'm just waiting. We need Trump. What? You need a Trump tweet? Good old Trump tweet to give us some pump. Dude, I hope this guy comes here with my groceries soon. I'm freaking starving. I am starving. Come on. Dude, even on the higher time frames, it's just not. There's a fair value gap on the hourly that we hit. We literally went right into it right here and rejected. And now we're just holding this area, holding above the pivot point. You know, I think the plays that I look at are if we come back into this zone for a bounce. You're just not getting anything one way or another. But it definitely looks crappier than normal. Oh. I'll tell you what, watch is going to hit either like 12:30 or like 2 o'clock, and then we're just going to take off one way or the other. I have a feeling we're just going to hit a point in the day that it just kind of takes off. It's a great day for writing options, though, just sucking the premium out. A lot of indecisions here, Walter. Like, I wouldn't really be looking, like, I wouldn't take a long here and I wouldn't take a short here. You're kind of in the middle of this area. There's just no like real juice. Not a lot of juice behind these moves. It's kind of like a wait and see type thing. I mean, there's nothing really moving. Nvidia is down almost 1%. Apple is down. Dude, Apple's down over 3% today. That's a pretty big deal. Tesla is down almost 4.5%. Dude, these companies are getting wrecked and the markets are holding. Google's up a very little. Amazon's down. What's holding the market up? What stock is holding the market up if all the tech is basically down? Oh, jeez. Your best bet is just kind of not, I guess, play the range. Definitely don't chase. I wouldn't be chasing shorts or longs. I mean, I would just kind of wait. Sure. I just got notified that there's chickens are on a driveway near me. Escaped chickens. I just got it on the ring. Yeah, nah, but what stocks in the Qs are up? QQQ heat map. Let's see. Fucking Microsoft is up a little bit. AMD's up. But the big boy, like down, down, down. I guess there's like software is up a bunch. DDOG, TDD. You know, all this. Yeah, maybe that. Oh, you think it seems bullish? So I just got the alert from my Whole Foods delivery. Bro, I never got, it says it was delivered. Yo, it says it was delivered, but the guy never came. Oh, don't tell me this. Bro, I didn't see the guy, dude. Yo, it says it just delivered right now, but there's no guy. New highs on YM. Oh shit, the guy did deliver my food. I'll let it sit out there for a little bit. Nah, the guy must have delivered it. I didn't even see him come in. Dude, that would have sucked. Yo, I had one guy. Yo, Cove, check this out. Some guy came and delivered, bro, all this fresh fruit from like a specialized food store. Like, it was like mangoes and blueberries and like all this fruit. And it was like, I went out there, like the guy was gone for like 20 minutes already, right? And I went out and I was like, what the fuck is this? So I called my wife. I'm like, did you order all this fruit? She's like, no, some guy must have delivered to the wrong house. Like, dude, it had to be like $200 worth of fruit. And it was awesome. It was so good. Definitely the wrong house because I didn't order it. I don't even know who it came from. It was all in like boxes, like you know, like Costco gives you like the boxes. It was all in like that. Fuck yeah, I ate it, Waldo. I looked on the ring, like the guy delivered it, took a picture, like it was obviously something. But I didn't fucking order it. I can tell you that. I ate it though. I didn't even know who it did. They don't leave like, oh, it came from so and so. They just left it. Man, these markets are shit right now. This is the market that you just get chopped up in. These are the chopped up markets where you start doing shit back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. There's somebody on this stream right now that's trading this back and forth and getting hosed. You know, short. Oh no, I'm going long. Oh, I'm going short again. I'm going long. I'm going short again. You know, don't be that guy. Just wait. Wait it out. Wait until we get a setup, a real entry. Just chill out. I'm waiting for somebody to raise their hand and be like, it's me. That's me. But yeah, just chill out. There is money to be had in the morning for like real quick stuff. But yo, was it a gift from heaven? Dude, it's definitely my neighbor's groceries somewhere that ordered it. That's who ordered it. Just what, you know, just one of those things. I just want you to be aware that yo, what up, Deba? What's up, Alfred? Yo, it's just chop, man. Super choppy. It's not really the environment that you want to be trading in because you're just gonna get chopped up for a little bit. And as we enter lunchtime, forget it. Marie, I've been in the same trade in MNQ since 8 this morning and really haven't gone very far. Are you long or short, Marie? all seriousness, I kind of like it better short. But I don't know. You're going to get chopped. Every time in this chop, I think short, it goes long. So you're looking good. I think it's just one of those days, you know. It's one of those days that I would wait until things actually move. It's definitely rough action, though. You don't want to blow an account in chop, you know. But I got to go eat. I'm going to be back in 2 hours. I apologize that the market sucks right now. There's not a lot of trades to be had. You know, if you want to support the stream, use the code below. I'll be back at 2. We'll do account giveaway. We'll give away a Take Profit Trader account. But don't trade because you feel like you need to trade right now. The conditions suck. Just go eat lunch, go for a walk real quick, go chill out. Like, there's no reason that you need to jump in and be like, I need to trade this. The odds are not in your favor. That I can tell you. You know, that's honestly it. I'm just keeping it real. If you want, there's the Discord. I'll fucking hang out in there. You know, I don't know. I'm just watching this shit. It sucks. Here you go, Jim Blab. This is the last. To be honest with you, I'm only going to keep it open one time during the morning stream. If you're on, you're on. If you miss it, you miss it. But you got to be on when it opens up. Yeah, that's how a lot of the guys voted. Just open it up for whoever's on at the time. If you're not on, you miss out. That's the new rules going forward. So make sure you're on. Other than that, I am jumping off. I'm gonna go eat. I'll be back in 2 hours. All right. Peace.